Okay, here's my here's my yard, and we have taken on a pet. She was just a little stray cat. Her name is Cat, spelled with a K. And so anyway, that's Cat. But this is my backyard, and our home sits on just under an acre of land, front and backyard. We have a dog kennel and some kind of a shed over there. And we have a little land, from what I understand, beyond the fence back there. But this is basically what I'm looking at to start my winter garden. My husband suggested that we do a raised bed over here, and because this gets full sun, besides a probably late evening sun it doesn't get because of the trees. We have quite a few trees, tall trees here. It looks like somebody may have put or did put gravel on the ground over here. And what I would like to do with, Carrie wants to put a hammock between those two trees. But what I would like to do is to to have a fire pit somewhere in here. And I was thinking perhaps in the front yard. We live in the country, so we burn our trash. And this lovely patio, I don't know what we're gonna do with it. I've actually never been back there, and really don't plan on going back there anytime soon. I live in the country. I don't know what's back there. I know that there is a pond back there, but I'm good. So the pond is somewhere beyond that fence line. Okay, Cat. Cat. Hey, Cat. Yeah, so anyway, this is the back of the house. And one thing I do know is that the sun is not that hot back here. I had some bell pepper plants that I did start. I didn't transplant them. And it looks like they're flowering again. But nonetheless, I moved my plants from the back to the front. Poor little sage plant. It was growing really nicely, but it kind of got burned up in the back, in the front of the house. This was garlic. This is lettuce. Now I know that there's some seeds inside of this sprout. That's romaine lettuce, but I don't know what to do with it. But as you can see, as soon as I moved it back here, my cat, I guess, thought it was a litter box, and she started digging in it. So I don't know what to do with it. As long as it was in the front, it was fine. Now, the front part of our house is over here. Whew, it's hot out here. And I have a couple of, this is some red onions. I need to transplant, but this is a raspberry bush. This is a blueberry bush. I need to transplant those. And over here, this is where I have my seedlings. I started for the cauliflower. Looks like Cat has been up here too. Cat, you better stop messing with my stuff. Cat. Okay, so anyway, this is my aloe vera plant that I transplanted, and Cat, and I have a blueberry bush over here. So that was strawberries, but whoa, come on, Cat, go get that lizard. You see it? So anyway, the cauliflower, That's cauliflower over there. And in those containers, I have, okay, cat. In those containers, I have, hey, cat. Hey, cat. Hey, cat. In those containers, I have food scraps that I want to use for composting. I just hadn't figured that out, and I kind of keep my food scraps like right here. And yeah. Hey, cat. Hey, cat. So anyway, oh, back to the yard. So we have, I'm thinking I want to put flowers here in the front. I don't even know. We have this front yard here, and I'm thinking that I want to put my fire pit in the front. I don't know. I'm just making up stuff as we go. And then we have the side of the house that we have our well water on the side of the house. And so, yeah, I don't know exactly what to make of everything. So, what do you think? Leave me a comment below and tell me what you think about where would be the best place to put my winter garden. And the house is facing towards the sun is facing the east. The east side is on the front of the house, and the west side is on the back of the house. Come on, cat. Come on.